That first one is the office building. This C1 is the welding robot assembly workshop. This one is a store. It's very giant. This one is a manufacturing workshop. CANLEE. This one is a beam production line. That taller one is a laser equipment assembly workshop. This one is the dormitory and canteen. It is our axis welding robot in the customer's factory. It is welding the bridge diaphragm automatically because the workers are eating lunch. When the workers return, it will finish the job. Have a close look. The weld piece is neatly, bright, very perfect.